Hey, it's Garrick and welcome back to my channel. The other day I did a quick unboxing on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing on the Google Pixel Pro 8 that UPS literally just dropped off 10 minutes ago. So the Google Pixel Pro 8 is actually not for me. This is actually for my father. He actually needed a new phone, so I decided to go out and order him the new Google Pixel Pro 8. All right, let's go jump into it. Let's take a look at the phone. Here is the Google Pixel 8 Pro in Obsidian with the 128 gigabyte variant. Okay, very nice. Nice packaging. Looks very similar to the Apple iPhone packaging. Let's open it up. Now, one of the things I love to hear is that tear sound. So let's listen to that. Which is very satisfying. All right, let's take a look at this. Wow, look at that phone. Looks really nice. Wow, look at that. Nice polished finish on the sides, giving that little extra touch. Reminds me a little bit of the iPhone 14. Nice polished touch around the camera bezel. Very nice. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have a USB-C cable with the conversion of the USB-A to USB-C if needed. And then obviously a little information about the phone itself. All right, perfect. Let's take a look at the phone real quick. As you can see here, very nice. Just do a quick tear. That was very satisfying too. Awesome. Phone looks good, feels great on the hands. It actually loved how it's rounded edges. You know, honestly, the rounded edges here feels better than the iPhone 15 rounded edges. I kind of like that rounded feel. It feels, the way it's rounded here when it's in your hand, it actually feels really, really good, which is really nice. But overall, I mean, this looks really, really good. You know, the touch and feel of it, the buttons feels pretty solid. You hit a nice clicks to it. Camera sticks out a little more than I would like, but it's their design language. I can understand that. As you can see here, USB-C port here. We got 2 stereo speakers here, but overall, definitely a nice touch, nice feel. We're gonna set up this device. Let's do this real quick. We're gonna go with, but just typing in the password to my Wi-Fi, the typing actually feels really nice and really smooth. I actually kind of like how it types over the iPhone 15 Pro Max, to be honest with you. As this going through its process here, I did go out and purchase this Spigen case. I've always liked the Spigen brand, and my dad usually always get the cheapest one, so I decided to get him a nice case for him. And as you can see here, this is the Tough Armor. And the reason why I kind of got him a better case than the usual is it tends to drop things more, and I just want to make sure that I'll get him a case that's going to not break his phone, not crack his screen, and so forth. As you can see here, this case has some extra protection inside here. That yellow foam or silicone gives that extra protection, not only for the back of the phone, but also for the sides of the phone as well, so which is pretty nice, okay? All right, let's just pop this in real quick, see what it looks like. Nice lip along the side of the phone, very nice. The buttons feel really good as well, as you can see here. And then the power buttons here, on and off here. But overall, it has a nice touch and feel. Now, you notice here, right, that on the Pixel 8 Pro, wow, it's pretty hard to take out. But the Pixel 8 Pro, you see this camera? It's popped out a lot, and you know, it just overall it doesn't look great when you see it. But with this case right over here, with this added protection on the back, the case is going to actually protect the housing of the camera. So that's actually really nice. I actually really like this case a lot, to be honest with you. And you know, so my dad, he's going to be like looking at it, he's like, okay, this case looks great. Without the case, he's going to say, hey, this phone's kind of ugly. But overall, this case actually gives you better protection in the back and also give you better protection around the camera as well. So, which is pretty nice. And this one here will be great for him because now he has a kickstand. So when he's watching his, I guess, YouTube or whatever thing he likes to watch, he's going to be able to have a kickstand there without having to use something else to hold it up. But overall, this is going to be a nice case for him. And when you hit a kickstand, when it goes into the case, there's a little click to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in real quick just so you can get an idea how this phone works. All right, so right now it's going through the setup process. Let's take a look, see how this phone looks. Okay. Very nice and smooth, as you can see here, opening up the drawer. This is a nice phone. It's actually nice and smooth. As you can see here, the app drawer opens up really, really well with the Google Pixel. The last time I had a Pixel, actually, the last time I had a Google phone was probably the Nexus. I forgot what number that would be, to be honest with you. It's been a while. But overall, this is a pretty nice phone. I mean, when you compare it to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you know, it's definitely a big weight difference between one versus the other. But for my father, this is going to be great. He currently has the S21 with a smaller screen. He does need a bigger screen now, but this is definitely going to be doable for him. But overall, this is a great phone. I like it. If you're in the market for the Google Pixel, this is definitely worth looking at. This is definitely probably one of the best Android phones that you can get in the market today. I definitely do like the touch and feel. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell because you don't want to miss the comparison between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Google Pixel 8 Pro. All right, be safe, everyone.